Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to duplicate apps on iOS or iPhone. So right now I'm gonna duplicate my Facebook app. First of all, I need to download Facebook icon. To do that, I'm gonna opening a browser and typing here Facebook icon PNG. Tapping on images, and I'm gonna downloading this Facebook icon from here. As you can see, the icon has been downloaded, and now open your shortcuts. Tap on this plus icon at the top right. Tap on add action. Tap on scripting. Tap on open app. Tap on app and select here the app which you want to duplicate. I'm gonna selecting here Facebook. Tapping on this icon. Tapping on add to home screen and give here your app name. Tap on this icon, choose photo and select here your app logo or icon and tap on choose. Tap on add. As you can see, the Facebook copy has been added here. If I tap on this shortcut, Facebook will open. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.